Hey y'all, welcome back. This video isn't so much as a tutorial. It's just I'm sitting here alone on a Saturday night making stuff as I normally do, and I thought, hey, why not make a video so I can hang out with y'all and y'all can just see a little bit of what I'm doing. So tonight I'm playing with my Cricut. I have a Cricut Maker, and I just picked up the what is this thing? The Cricut Easy Press, and it is so cool. I mean, I love, you know, doing the iron on vinyl type deals, and somebody told me that this is a lot easier than, you know, trying to use an iron and an ironing board to put the vinyl onto different items. So I thought, yeah, okay, I'll go ahead and get it. So I grabbed this at Hobby Lobby. It was, I think, $149, right at $150, you know, with tax and everything. But anyway, I'm just hanging out making some pot holders and thought I'd turn on my camera. So the pot holders that I'm using are these, and I get these at the Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a pack for $1. I mean, who can beat that? And they are 100% cotton. And according to the little Cricut reference chart here, if you're using something that is 100% cotton, which I am, and I'm using the light iron-on material, you need to set it at 305 degrees and then process it for 30 seconds. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to move it down a little bit so that y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm going to turn it on, and let's see, I want to set the temp up to, what did I say? 305? God, 350, Lord, I'm thinking about making cookies. We're going to set it to 350. Okay, we're going to set it to 305 degrees. I think I did that right. Yeah, set it to 305 degrees, and then it's just going to start heating up. This thing is really cool. I mean, it comes in this base. It sets in this base, and it's pretty much, it's heat proof. You know, it keeps the, here's what the bottom looks like. It's just like a big, flat, iron-looking type deal. It's pretty cool. And it's going to start heating up, and this little light here, you can see, it's actually, ooh, it's actually red. I think it looks kind of yellow on film. Oh, well, it's actually red. But, when it gets to the right temp, it'll beep, and this little light will turn green, which means it's ready to use. Woo, there it went. It beeped. All right, but anyway, let me see. Where's my other pot holder I made? I made this one a while ago. Watch me whip. I hate that song, but I thought that was cute. And I've already kind of sort of started working on this one before I decided to turn on the camera, so I apologize for the mess here, but yeah, I just printed this. My gosh. I just spit this thing out on my Cricut Maker. And I'm going to take off like the main part here, trying to be careful because I've already screwed one up, and y'all know that this iron-on stuff, it's not cheap. It was like $14.99 a roll, and you don't get a whole lot, believe me. So I'm just trying to be very careful with this. I've tried it many different ways, and this works the best for me. You just have to be really, really careful when you're pulling it off, because my blade, I mean, I just put a new blade in my Maker not too long ago, and it cut not only through the, in some places, not only through the iron-on material, but also through the plastic backing. Not cool. So anyway, all right, let's throw that over there. I've got such a mess on my craft table, y'all. Seriously, I need to clean it up. All right, now I got this little doohickey here. I'm left-handed, so of course the name's gonna be upside down. But this little doohickey here called the weeding tool, and weeding just means that you're going to go in and remove all of the little pieces that you don't want showing on the finished product. So, get off of me. Let me see. Okay. So now I'm going to go in. We're going to take this piece off. So yeah, I'm just hanging out here at home with my cats and my dog. Just making stuff. And thought that I would hang out with y'all too. I don't have much of a life. Everybody's out having fun and whatnot, and I'm at home talking to my cat and making pot holders, but hey, it's alright. I might do some tutorial videos later on, you know, on how to use a Cricut and all that jazz, but just for now, I'm just doing my thing here. Ah, get off of me. Yeah, a couple days ago, I got my cats one of those like really expensive, the cat towers, you know, like the big huge things. It takes a while to put together, and it has all the toys attached to it and a bed and scratching posts and all kinds of stuff. And I was, you know, so stoked and excited to finally get it. And you know what? They sat there and stared at it, completely ignored it, and then played with the box that it came in. You know, I'm like, what's up with that? I'm sure y'all's cats do the same thing, right? And my dog's just sitting there looking at them like they're stupid. And let's see, let's get these little pieces out here. I done had a whole lot of coffee, so my hands are shaking a bit. Let's see. Oh, we got some more. We got some more on here. Where did it go? Oh, it stuck to my finger. Where did it go? I don't know. Yeah, I never really thought that I would use a Cricut as much as I have. I always thought that they were really cool, and I really, you know, like envied those people that could make all these beautiful cards and the beautiful t-shirts and pillows and stuff like that. And I always thought it was really cool. And I finally broke down and got one, thinking, you know what, I done spent all this money and I'm not going to use this thing. And you know what? I use it all the time now. Oh my God, I got stuff sticking to me and my nails are chipped up. You know, I've been doing a lot around the house today, and I haven't even had a chance to sit down and do my nails. And I do my nails like every other day, you know. I cannot stand chipped up nail polish. That's another one of my pet peeves. I have a lot of them. That's one of my main ones. I don't like chipped up nail polish. But, oh well, I'll do that later. Alright, I think that's right. Yeah, it looks right. Okay. So now I need to find the potholder. I think I'll put it on the red one this time. Let's see. Just cut the tag. I usually just pull the things apart, and then I ripped one the other day and I'm like, ugh, well, I was just wasting money. Alright, so let's see. What do I need now? Oh, like my craft table really needs to be protected, you know. I mean, it's kind of beat up, but it's alright. I got this old towel here that I've used for many, many crafting purposes. And I'm just going to lay my pot holder down. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to heat up my pot holder just for a few seconds. I find that that really, really helps with the, when adhering the iron-on material. As if your project, your thingy here is warmed up a little bit. Okay, that's good. Okie dokie. Now let's see. We'll put this. Where do I want it? That looks good, yeah? That's good to me, right? That look good to y'all? Alright. I have a press cloth here. This is just a scrap of fabric. I don't even know where it came from. Like in the bottom of my fabric bin that I use when I do iron-ons or anything else like that. Just lay it down and just as a protection. Okay, now it says for 30 seconds. See, I have it set to 305 degrees. My timer's at 30 seconds. And then you hit the go button. I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure on this. Kind of like a moderate pressure. I'm sitting down. I really can't put too much pressure on it. But anyway. And then you just press down and let it heat up until the timer runs down. And that's supposed to be all you need to get your iron-on material to stick. Alright, time's up. Beep. And I'll put it back in its holder. Uh-oh. See, I just told you my table's full. I got stuff falling everywhere. And sometimes, I don't know, I like to be thorough with things. Sometimes I overdo things. So I don't know. You know what? I want to go for a few more seconds. Don't tell the people at Cricut. I'm just going to go for a few more seconds. Because I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure on this, you know. I want to make sure that's really good and stuck down, you know what I'm saying? And then once you go through the timer thingy, then you're supposed to let your item cool down completely, which is the hard part, you know, because I want to see what it looks like right now. Okay. Should be enough. Voila! Okay. Now I'm going to let it cool down. Yeah, no, it's beeping. Now we're just going to let it cool down. Well, it's cool. And yeah, I got these pot holders here from the Dollar Tree. I got black and red and I got blue. And there's another black one. And then I got the like the actual mitt kind to match, and I don't know what kind of designs I'm going to put on those yet, you know, because they're kind of odd shaped. I don't know. I was thinking I might try to find like a rolling pin or something, and maybe like put a name on it. I might try that. I don't know. Or some kind of snarky saying. I like things with little snarky sayings on them. I don't know. I'll figure out something to do with it. Where'd my other one go? Yep, there it is. See, this one I screwed up because, like I said, my blade on my Cricut cut through the plastic too, and so it tore this one right here. But that's okay because I'm just keeping this one for myself. But yeah, you really need to watch that. This is still hot. Jeez, cool down. It's like 12 degrees outside. It's 68 degrees. I'm looking at my thermostat. It's like 68 degrees in here. I like to keep my house a little on the cool side, and this thing is just not cooling down. But I think these would, I've seen these floating around on Pinterest and whatnot, you know, like as teacher's gifts. It had like a little cookie, and it says, "Thank you for making me a smart cookie," and then you can pair this. Whoopsie, sorry about that. I did not realize that my phone storage was getting full and it stopped recording. So I'm like, wow, I'm sitting here talking to myself, you know. But anyway, this is cooled down and I started to pull it off, you know, and then I realized that I wasn't filming anymore. But yeah, I gently pulled this off, and this is what I have on this one. I just beat it. Isn't that awesome? I love things. It's like got snarky comments and song lyrics on it and whatnot. But yeah, I got this one. I might make a couple more. I wanted to make another one, yeah, with the just whip it, or maybe like whip it good, with a little whisk on it. So yeah, I thought that would be cute. So anyway, thank y'all for hanging out with me while I did this project, and now I think it's time to go put on a mud mask and do my nails and all that fun stuff. So let me know, what are y'all doing on a Saturday night? What are you doing at home on a Saturday night watching YouTube videos? You know, let me know down below in the comments. Are y'all making stuff? You know, what's everybody up to? If you're making something, tell me what you're making. I love, love, love to hear what everybody's doing. And I love to hear, you know, people's ideas and what you come up with. So, talk to me down below. Let me know. But give this video a thumbs up, please. Click the subscribe button. Check me out on my other forms of social media. I'll put the links in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.